Good morning. Today is December 15, 2023 Friday, and here are the 10:30 a.m. STL Visayas result today. Here are the STL Square 3 10:30 a.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Friday, December 15, 2023. Here are the STL Square 3 10:30 a.m. result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for December 15, 2023, Friday. Thank you for watching this 10:30 a.m. video for morning of Friday, December 15, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.